When you find yourself involved with DHR, at the end of their case, they're going to send you a letter that says you're either indicated or you're not indicated. That's DHR terminology, meaning you're either guilty or you're not guilty of what they say you've done. And if you are found to be indicated for child abuse or neglect, obviously that's not something you want to stick on you for the long term. And so you really must file a written request for what's called an administrative record review within 10 days. It's a very short time frame. So if you get that letter, you should contact us immediately because we can send out a letter the same day requesting this administrative review for you. That means it's going to go to Montgomery's state DHR office and have them look over the case to see if there was sufficient evidence in your file to indicate you for what you're accused of doing. Now, if you work in certain professions, like in healthcare, like in childcare, or other certain professions, you are not just entitled to a record review, which is basically where a DHR committee looks over it. You're actually entitled to an administrative law hearing, which will feel a lot like a trial in front of a judge. It just happens within the DHR system with a person who is appointed as a judge for that case, not a formal district judge. And so we have often gone to court on these DHR reviews for an administrative hearing and had a trial where it gets overturned either because the workers are no longer available or there's not sufficient evidence in the file to convince that administrative judge that you are actually guilty of what they say you've done. So either way, if you are found to be indicated by DHR, you need to contact a lawyer as soon as possible to make sure that you meet the time deadlines to request either your record review or your administrative law hearing.